Daulatabad fort. It was built by Muhammad bin Tughlaq when he tried to shift his empire from Delhi to Daulatabad because it was more centrally located, because he had captured the whole of India. And the fort is originally designed to have 4 barriers against all intruders or potential conquerors. The first barrier was a moat around the fort. The second barrier was that there were multiple doors that led to the fort, and each of the doors was studded with iron and nails, and you had to ram them down, and the elephants that were used to ram them down were actually killed in the process, so they were left without cavalry. And once you entered the fort and you found the right door, there were mazes throughout that were, the floor was lined with poison thorns and nails, and so you lost a lot of men there. And having passed that barrier, if at all, you had to go through a winding tunnel filled with bats, and it was dark throughout the day, so it was extremely dangerous. And the thing was, because it was so dark, the people on top of the tunnel could actually throw things and obstacles down into the tunnel to prevent the entry. Chand Minar, it was built by one of the people, the fort eventually, because Muhammad bin Tughlaq, as it turns out, couldn't shift his empire to Daulatabad successfully, and he lost a large part of his empire, and he had to go back to Delhi because of drought, famine.
Milandoi sosi milandoi bakhor kulidoi aru mongoldoi mahe poromanidi.
Kola sola kuruta gudama se sarita sari o sari ke sore. Kola sola kuruta gudama se sarita sari o sari ke sore. Ei jonir se kuloi sabo ke nuari jaluk jolokia kore milondoi sosi milondoi bakhor kolidoi aru mongoldoi jaluk ke poradi pore.
You don't.
I'm not going to so close, it scares me. Oh, she's white. Okay.
Started digging from I'm getting a headache. Just give it to me.
Having been a monkey.
You've come all the way.
I've not.
What is this? This, I think, is this. It's a 3-tier cave. We have to go down to go to it. Can you? This is the top of the 3-tier cave, which no one would ever see normally.
I don't know, 78. All the entrances have it here.
But it's inverted.
Yeah, no, the moon.
I can't see. Yeah.